Ever stumbled upon the predicament of being shut out from your own iPhone? Well, worry no more. Find My iPhone tool is here to the rescue, allowing you to reset your password with ease. So, let's unravel the process, shall we? Today's lesson is on how to reset your password using Find My iPhone. If you are in possession of iOS devices like an iPhone or iPad, the Find My iPhone app becomes your go-to solution. And for those with a computer at hand, iCloud.com is your best bet. For this demonstration, we'll be utilizing the app. Upon opening it, navigate to Devices at the bottom. To avoid dealing with the iCloud lock later, let's promptly remove it from the account. Patience is key here, but rest assured, you'll regain access to your iPhone in no time. So, keep calm and unlock on. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring.